This CAICOUSTIC PA speaker and mixer bundle offers a genuinely portable all-in-one setup with interlocking cabinets and built-in handles that make it easy to move between gigs or practice spaces. The system delivers a solid 300-watt output through dual speakers that combine an 8-inch woofer and 1-inch high-frequency driver for surprisingly full and clear sound at this size. An 8-channel powered mixer is built in, giving you enough inputs for microphones, instruments, and playback devices, while also providing outputs for adding extra speakers or a separate subwoofer later. Integrated wireless Bluetooth and a front-mounted USB and media section make it simple to stream playlists from phones or play tracks directly without needing a separate player. The included wired microphone, 2 height-adjustable stands, and necessary cables mean you can unbox this kit and be performance-ready for small venues, parties, or rehearsal rooms with minimal extra gear. Overall, this bundle stands out as a convenient starter or backup PA for solo performers, small bands, and mobile DJs who want straightforward setup, flexible connectivity, and respectable power in a compact package.